So today we've driven out to Weston, Nebraska, and we are picking up our first project truck. Inside the barn over here, we have a 1965 J3000 Jeep pickup truck with a 327, 3 on the tree, 4-wheel drive. It does not run. It's going to be a project, so we're getting ready to put it on this trailer, drag it home, start working on it. So this 1965 Jeep J3000 has basically lived most of its life on this farm, and now it's going to go to our garage, and we're going to work on it. We're going to a running, driving Jeep. 1965, like I said, it hasn't run since 1999. So we've got our work cut out for us just to get it running, get it driving. It's going to need all new brakes. All the mechanicals are going to have to be gone through. But what I'm not going to do to it is I'm not going to paint it. I love the character. I love the patina of it. I'm going to clean it up real good. I'm going to clear coat it, and I'm not fixing the bullet holes. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. One here. One here. One here. Bullet holes are character. And I'm sure this was shot at when it was just sitting out here on the farm. I'm going to come up with a much better story. Touchdown! Yeah, you can see the Fred Flintstone floors here. Yeah. They've seen better days. All right, so we're here with Dennis, who is the former owner of the truck as of just a couple minutes ago.
It's going now.
Tell us a little bit about it. Your dad bought the truck, right?
He bought it used from a gentleman in Wahoo that used to sell vehicles there. He was a friend of his. Bought it probably in the mid-'70s. I'm trying to remember when it was, but yeah, he bought it used. We used it for livestock.
Yeah.
It was a mudder.
Yeah.
It would go through the mud, the snow. It was a good old truck.
Yeah, well, that's the way those Jeeps are made. You said that many times you guys would go out in like a foot of snow, kick it into 4-wheel low, lock the hubs, and just chug your way through the field.
He wanted to test it out when we first bought it. And we take it out in the field here like this one behind us, and we got stuck.
Yeah.
We had a shovel in the back. We dig it down, and away we'd go again. It had that 327 motor in it.
Yeah.
It had a lot of power.
Yeah.
It had a lot of guts.
Well, it's going to go to a good home. It will be well loved and taken care of, and we're gonna redo all the mechanicals, and we're gonna leave the character of the truck the way it is, though.
I'll appreciate
so,
that.
Yeah,
That'll make me happy.
Yeah,
Just a
maybe
little
we'll
bit of
cruise it out here.
Scrapyard.
We'll cruise it out here after we get it all fixed up. Take you for a ride.
We'll have a beer. Yeah, you bet. It'd be
Sounds
nice
like a
to
good
see
one.
you. All right,
Thank
Steve,
you. All right,
bet.
buddy.
Thank you, sir. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
You bet.